Andrew Wilkinson QC MLA is a Canadian politician. He is the leader of the British Columbia Liberal Party and currently serves as the leader of BC's official opposition. He was elected to the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia in the 2013 provincial election and re-election in 2017. He represents the electoral district of Vancouver-Quilchena. He served as Minister of Justice and Attorney General from June 12, 2017, until an NDP minority government was sworn in the following month. He previously served as Minister of Advanced Education from December 18, 2014, and the Minister of Technology, Innovation, and Citizens Services from June 10, 2013. He was the Deputy Minister of the British Columbia Ministry of Economic Development from 2003 to 2006, where he was responsible for economic issues, trade and tourism. He also served as Deputy Minister for Intergovernmental Relations in the Premier's office for 2 years from 2001 to 2003. The appointment, made by party leader Gordon Campbell, was reported as an obscene patronage payoff due to Wilkinson's prior role as BC Liberal Party president. Wilkinson was born in Brisbane, Australia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.